What's up guys, Dean here again with Team Debaru, and in today's video I am going to be talking to you a little about refunds and shaving and basically ways that you can get your money reversed with Maxbounty. I know it's sad, but we're going to talk about basically the reasons why this happens and kind of what you can do to prevent some of these things going forward. So I hope you guys are interested. We're going to be dropping a lot of knowledge in here today. With that in mind, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in these videos, or if you learned something here today from me. It just lets me know if I'm doing good or if I need to change things, so I really appreciate that. And with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the content here today. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started here. Again, we're going to be talking about how to deal with refunds and reversals and things on the Maxbounty network and affiliate networks really in general, because this kind of happens everywhere. So basically what we're talking about here today, guys, is maybe you're looking at your dashboard one day, you're seeing $100, everything's great, everything's going good, and then the next day or a little bit later on in that day, you notice that you aren't at $100 anymore. Maybe it's gone down to 98 if you're doing sweepstake offers, or maybe it's gone down a lot, maybe 30 or 40 bucks if you're doing some sort of affiliate product. These can be big changes, obviously, if they add up, if they happen a lot. And I just wanted to briefly talk about it. It's not going to be a crazy long video today, but I wanted to briefly talk about this because we do get a lot of questions on this. Like, is this what shaving is, or is there anything that we can do about this? And I just want to break it down a little bit more. So I did find some interesting information on Maxbounty in their terms and conditions. I know some of you guys usually just hit accept and don't really read them, but this is something actually covered in the terms and conditions with Maxbounty. So let's just go there right away. It's very simple over here on Maxbounty as well too. So Maxbounty or the advertiser on Maxbounty may reverse any action generated by the affiliate. Circumstances for action reversals include, but are not limited to, duplicate actions. So if there is another person within their system already, let's say that you're promoting this offer on Facebook, and it happens to actually reach someone who already has filled out this information before, and Maxbounty has collected this information. They do not accept duplicates, so if that does pass originally and they do find out about it, they will reverse it and not offer that as a payout. So that's one way that your balance can decrease. They don't offer duplicate actions. I think that's pretty fair. I wouldn't necessarily want to pay for someone's information I already have as well too. So that could be one thing. Another thing is fraudulently generated actions. So if they find out that you are in here redoing these actions yourself, or you have some sort of software or program that goes onto your ads and basically fills out the information itself, if they find out about this, obviously they're not going to pay you for any of these bot generated or fraudulently generated. This could also mean that you're doing it yourself, or maybe you're having friends or family fill this out and not necessarily promoting it the way that it should be promoted or what it's meant to do, and you're kind of just sending in fake information just to get paid. So again, that's pretty fair. I just wanted to bring that up too, because sometimes you guys might not be doing this, but this does definitely take place within the industry. People do have programs that fill out this information, as well as they have, they tell all their friends and family, hey, go fill this out for me, go fill this out for me, so anything like that going on, they won't pay for those as well too. If they find that out, they will reverse them. And then obviously, if you're doing some sort of affiliate marketing product, let's say the payment actually ends up not going through, any kind of non-payment, they're obviously going to reverse to you too if it ends up not qualifying or going through, or whatever it is for the payment process of it. If that ends up being added to your account, that will also be reversed. And then lastly, I believe the affiliate's failure to comply with the agreement. So not basically complying with any part of the agreement on the advertisers' pages or with Maxbounty, they'll reverse all of your leads with that as well. Incomplete or invalid data. So if people are just putting in fake information and it doesn't actually do anything, and the lead doesn't actually qualify, they will actually reverse those as well too. And then lastly, product returns. So if you are promoting an affiliate marketing product and someone actually does return the product, they will actually issue a refund on that as well too. And so that will come out of your balance as well. So I know these things can be a little, on the downside. However, if you're obviously not doing any of the sketchiest part, like generating fraudulently leads, non-payment, or you can't do non-payment, but duplicates, things that you can't necessarily control, it is what it is. If people are filling this information out and you're still getting, clicks and stuff is happening, I would still see this as an upside because things are working, things are going into motion, and this is just a part of business. Every business has issues with return, not issues, but deals with returns, and fraudulent activities. Sometimes it's unfortunate, but that is the way that business goes. So I just wanted to tell you guys about some of these things. Another thing too is, like, if you think that the Maxbounty or whoever, not necessarily Maxbounty, but the affiliate network is shaving your leads, meaning that they, they're taking your leads and they're not necessarily counting them or paying you for them, if that's an issue that you think that you're having, you can also use like a tracker. That's really the importance of having a tracker, because you can compare the data that you're collecting within your tracker over to Maxbounty or whatever your affiliate network is. And that helps you give a lot of details and a lot of data to make circumstances on what's going on with your account. However, for refunds and things coming out of your account, this is obviously in their terms and conditions. There's not much that you can do about it, but obviously they all look like it's for, great reasoning. I don't really see anything in here that stands out to me that I would be like, what the heck is that for? So I mean, if you're doing fraudulent activity, you shouldn't necessarily be getting paid anyway. And if something gets returned, something gets returned. You can't really do much about that. So,
are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.